How to cancel your subscription on Amazon Prime. So if this video have helped, please subscribe to this channel and as well as click that bell icon so you could help while growing this channel. So let's go and open up our Amazon. So make sure that you have logged into your Amazon account in your browser, and we will go here to our name here, and you can go to the subscriptions and partnerships section. So if you don't have any subscriptions available, you would see this, but I will show you how when you have one. So for example, you have these subscriptions in your computer or in your account. So what you need to do is just click on the cancel subscription, and depending where you want to cancel. And also you have here some options on why you want to cancel. You can also tell Amazon, or you cannot tell, on whatever you prefer. Then after that, you would be required to type in your password for just to confirm your account. And after you have confirmed your account and logged in, you can just cancel the channel or subscription through that cancel channel option. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.